Hey guys, welcome to another video here on my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Lakia and welcome to the Chaotic Critic family. For my returning subscribers, welcome back. Here on my channel, I share planning and organizational videos, plus so much more over on my blog, chaoticcritic.com. The link is always in the description box. The whole premise of my channel is to share with you guys how I'm crushing the chaos in my life with hopes that you'll be inspired and encouraged to crush the chaos in yours. Today's video is going to be a collective sticker haul. I have sold a lot of my stickers in my D-Stash sale. If you guys would like to check out my Etsy shop, I still have more items there. I'll have it linked in the description box for you to check out, plus all the other stuff I'm talking about. But I wanted to get some stickers that are more my style now. A lot of the stickers I had, I was purchasing just to purchase. I was purchasing stickers because they were on sale, because I was building a collection, but now I'm really truly just buying things that I love. So a lot of these stickers you'll be seeing in upcoming videos when I do plan with me's in my memory planner. And if you follow me over on IG, you'll see some on my feed there too. So I have some shops to share. I'm actually going to start off with the ones that I've already started using, and it just wouldn't be me if I didn't drop something, right? So here is my memory planner, which is from Michaels. It's the Recollections planner. I love it. It's neutral. I can do just about anything I want with this planner. But here are some of the kits I purchased. First up is Birch and Birdie, and I did a plan with me using this spread. If you guys haven't seen it already, it may or may not be up. I'll have it linked if it is. And then this is another kit that I purchased from her. So this one is called Wild, and then the other one is called Nude Vibes. And then I purchased a kit from Golden Plans Co. And here it is here. I love it. And I also picked up some other stickers from her shop as well, some dolls. And I already put them inside of my Capital Chic Designs reusable sticker book. This one is from, the sticker book is from Michaels. But as for the stickers, here they are. And I'll have all the details again in the description box. So what did I get recently? There's always some type of sale going on. It's the summertime. You know, here we are spending our coins. So I'm going to go ahead and start off with the one that I was waiting for and so excited for, which was Simply Me Kish. Simply Me Kish is actually like the first shop that I purchased from back in 2015 when I discovered Etsy, when I found the planner community, and that is when she actually started her shop way back then. So she was a part of the it was some sale that was going on, and I took advantage of the sale, and a lot of freebies came with this, plus her own, and then the stuff that I purchased. So I'll save the freebies for that. So from her shop I got this. Actually, let me go ahead and zoom in. So first up from her shop, I got this queen little sheet here, and it has two quotes. Sometimes you just have to throw on a crown and remind them who they're dealing with, and then always wear your invisible crown. Then this one, which has quotes such as Nah, Rosa Parks, 1955. George Washington Carver, where there is no vision, there is no hope. Ida B. Wells, Stay Woke, and Malcolm X, 1963. Try Me. Then Dream Like Martin, Lead Like Harriet, Fight Like Malcolm, Build Like Madam C.J. Walker, well, Madam C.J. Challenge Like Rosa, Inspire Like Obama, and then When People Show You Who They Are, Believe Them by Maya Angelou. That's never been truer. Then I got some TikTok stickers because TikTok has been all the craze all the trend during quarantine time. So TikToked my life away today. Usually I TikTok my nights away and I'm like, where'd the time go? And then I also had another TikTok one. Where is that? Oh, I thought I had another one. I swear I did. Really? Alright, maybe I didn't. She did have another. I think she did have another TikTok one though. Then I got this one, cool aunt moment, add to cart. Is this COVID shit over yet? Had to get duplicates of those. Not today, Satan. And then I also got craft day. Did I get craft day? Let me look at my page. I did. Okay. And then I got multiples of the Chill with Boo. And then the reason I went and purchased in general was because of this kit, and I'm going to be doing a plan with me with this one. It's going to be my 90s theme, so stay tuned for that. But I mean, come on, classics. So I got the full boxes, and then I got the headers, the date covers I should say, and the half boxes. As for the samplers, oh, it was the TPC sale. So this one is from Orange Umbrella Co., this sampler here. And then this is from Simply Me Kish, and the next TPC sale is August 6th through the 10th. And then I spent $25, so I ended up getting this freebie here. And then this one is from Keepsakes by Ashley. And then this one is from Planner Pixie Co. And then this sampler from Made with Southern Love, who I also purchased from during the sale. Cheerful Planner Girl. Avalon and Ninth. And then Inspire Ever After. So that is it from Simply Me Kish. Cannot wait to use that Disney kit. Alright, next up we have Christie Latoy Designs. I really hope I'm not butchering her first name. But I purchased her Black Lives Matter kit as well as the dolls. So here is the kit. So there's this one with the full boxes and some functional headers and flags. And then this one here, which has more functional, and then the dolls. And then I also got this kit, which I love how simple it is. So we have deco here and then full boxes here. And I love having just full boxes to put into my planner spreads, and then I can just fill in whatever with whatever else I want. So love those. And then I also got this focus one here. And then this was her sampler here. Next up we have a glittery life plans. I got the paper that she recently released. I'm getting tongue tied. And it's this vellum, and it is so thick. It's like cardstock vellum, which I love. And then I also got the introvert full boxes here. And then I got the dots and stripe boxes here. And then I got the neutrals mini little kit. And this came with half boxes, full boxes, and quarter boxes. So I'll be doing a spread with this. And then this one here has just the computers with the designs inside of them. And then also these lemonade boxes and this freebie. And then this here, which is just a little sampler. So by washi tape, Organize Your Space, Plan by Planner Supplies, Coffee Time, Michael's, Hobby Lobby, Joann's, Plan, so 2 planner stacks, and the girl up here with the Happy Mail. Yes, that's how I feel. And then I also got the Gold Mine and Coco subscription box. If you guys didn't see my unboxing of this, I'll have it linked for you to check out. And then the last shop I got stuff from was Made with Southern Love. So moving on to what I got from Made with Southern Love. This was another shop that was a part of the TPC sale. So these were the 2 freebies that came. And this one says, I have no shelf control. And then this one, I took a DNA test. I'm 100% bookworm. So this is just a book themed sampler. Her entire shop was 40% off, so I did rack up. I got these leopard swatches along with these leopard inspired heart notes. I got the mini as well as the large. I also got quite a bit of her script, and some of them do have icons. So there's Catch Up Day, Lord You're Awesome, Late Night, My Brain Hurts, Podcast, Game Night, which is gonna go along with this playing cards one. I'm gonna have to print some Uno stickers for myself, but my boyfriend and I are always in like an intense game of Uno, bets and everything. Then there's Target, Post Office, In My Feelings, Tired AF, Pay the Damn Bills. And then she had quite a variety of other stickers that I definitely wanted to have and pop into my spreads. Any spread, no matter whether it's in my memory planner or my personal planner, which is this notebook. So there's Proud of Being Black, Say Their Names, Black Girl Magic, Pretty Black and Educated, and Black Lives Matter. So that is it for this haul. I've gone ahead and started organizing my new stickers. So I have a Glittery Life Plans inside of here, Simply Me Kish in here, Christie Latoy Designs in here. This is a 5x7 container photo box, as well as these 2, which are 4x6, all from Michael's. And then this one I just have samplers inside of, so I'm gonna put these from Made with Southern Love, and then the rest of her stickers are going to go inside of this photo box. I am trying out the photo box system. I'm not labeling anything because I can see through the container what the shops are inside of here. I just, am working like this for now because I don't want to transfer everything into an album. But also, this is an easy way for me to keep up with it, and if I want to consolidate even more, I can just put all of my script stickers together and then the deco together. That's another option. But right now, they're divided by shop, and that works for me, and they go inside of this container here again, which is from Michael's. So I'll have all the details to what I featured in the description box. Feel free to leave any other questions or suggestions in the comments section. Also in the description box, I'll have links to related videos and of course the blog and Instagram. The blog is chaoticcritic.com. My Instagram is @chaoticcritic. If you're not subscribed to the Chaotic Critic fam, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. And for all of you that are, I thank you. I love you guys. I appreciate you so much. Stay safe. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.